So today I'm going to show you how to tie a Solomon's Dragon paracord bracelet. Now you can see I haven't finished it. That's because this is a series and in part 2 we're going to be doing stitching. But today I'm just going to show you how to do the weave. Right, so to tie this Solomon's Dragon I have about 8 feet of burnt orange and about 3.5 feet of white. I've done a simple cow stitch at the bottom and I've come up through the bottom of the buckle here like that. So what we're going to do first of all is start a cobra weave. So I've got the right hand cord goes over the top, the left cord goes underneath, behind everything, out the side, and put it all together like that. Now you get your highlight cord and I poke it down through the middle like that and leave a tail out the end of about 3 inches like that. Now I started on the right as the cord went through there, so whichever cord you're going to start the pattern, I'm starting on the left, so the highlight cord goes over to the left like that. And we do another cobra weave. So the left hand cord goes over the top of the center cord, the right hand cord goes underneath, out the other side. So what you want to do is make sure that your orange cord goes underneath the highlight cord and pull it out. If it goes on top of the highlight cord, then you've done it wrong. So make sure it goes underneath the highlight cord and pull everything up. And now the highlight cord goes up underneath and out to the right hand side like that, because that's where we're going to start with the cobra weave. So over the top, left hand cord underneath, behind everything, and underneath this white cord here. Pull it all out, tighten everything up, and keep going. And just keep going down till we get to the end. Right, while I'm doing this, what kind of bracelet or key ring would you like me to make next? Let me know in the comments and I shall see what I can do. Right, so we're coming near the end and it does get a little fiddly at the bottom. So I'm going to use a fid. You don't have to use a fid. You know what? I'm going to take it off the jig, make it a little bit easier. Like that. Now, can I get one more in? No, I'm going to leave it like that. I'm not going to snip and singe the side bits yet because we've got to do the stitching. Now the other side looks quite good as well, doesn't it? But anyway, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do the stitching. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.